Sweet though. What you eat?
Long but plum, I'm not like me a pen cemetery.
Oh shit, but eating long what?
No, I'm me a pen, I can't find them plum, and a long body on them. Long. So call them for where you. Agree, huh? Yeah.
Yeah man, you go use the green one and you know what time it is.
I'm sweet. All the green one.
Oh chef say I eat the long one. The long what one?
Long body one.
Long pie.
Hey. Alright. So we have 14,000 here for you. From Nicole from the USA. 14,000 here from Nicole from the USA.
Nicole from the USA. A very good thanks and New Year's it's still up. Happy New Year's here, Nicole. And I appreciate what you're doing right now still, you know. And big up yourself right now for the New Year's.
A donation here for you, you know?
Yes.
Yeah, pass now $5,000
Yes.
from Ivan from New York.
Yes. Thanks a lot, Tibana. Happy New Year. I hope you put many more.
Yes. Yeah, man. So we give thanks to Ivan, you know?
Yes.
So you know the last time someone they seen on the video when time that open the door for him. Yeah, him say man Justin. Yeah. And you know cause she was coming from school at the time and she see him and she considered him, you know?
Yeah.
And the person sent $5,000 for him.
Yeah.
Yeah. But them don't want no name to call them, want to remain as unknown.
Okay.
Yeah, so they send $5,000 a year for him.
Okay. Thank you very much, whosoever you are.
Yeah.
And God bless you for this donation for Justin.
To Justin.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Whoever you are.
And this is from this is another unknown as well too. $15,000. 15,000. So count that says from unknown as well from the US.
Shanet! Mama, can you get Shanet? Can you get Shanet?
Mr. Unknown. Continue to support. God bless. We love you all.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day
Part for the year and more. I'm just coming off the work.
You see, I have medication and just reach just.
Oh yeah, we go for Shanet medication. Where is she?
Shanet! Come here.
Shanet! We pick up some medication for her. Oh, for her leg. Oh, so how is everything with her now?
Everything will come out fine, so she not bad for no pain or nothing.
Oh.
And she next in March before she leave.
Here she is. Hello. Hello, hello. How you doing?
Fine.
Fine. How's your tablet?
Doing good?
Doing good?
Yes.
Yes. Anything you want to tell me about your tablet? What's going on?
Nothing's really about it, but sometimes you gotta have a lot of fun with it.
Okay. How is school?
Very great.
Very great.
Yes.
When
I
she start
told Dad that I want to go back to school.
Yeah, you miss school.
No, I mean like I want to go back to school and do my work.
Okay. I see. So you want to go back today or tomorrow?
Every day.
Every day. You love school, right?
Yeah.
I see
Sometimes I don't really like to get off out of bed. It's kind of stressing.
that. Stressing? You
Yes.
get up out of bed?
Yes.
How is it stressing? You like sleeping?
Yes.
No. You have to
I
get
dream about living in a candy world.
in a candy world.
Yes.
That's too much sweet. You cannot eat too many sweets. Imagine eating all of those candy in that candy world. You're not gonna have no teeth.
Really?
Yeah, you all
We
teeth.
still have a tongue?
Yeah, but no teeth. You're not gonna have no teeth eating all those candies. So you want to live in the candy world still? Still want to live there?
Yeah.
No.
Forever.
Too many sweets. Too many sweets. You know I got donation for you? Yeah. I got
Donation?
I got some money for you. So you cannot buy any candy with it. No candy.
But I really love potatoes. They're very good for you.
Yeah, so you can buy potatoes, right?
Yes.
Buy enough potatoes. That is it.
Can I tell you something?
Go on then.
Ever buy Coca-Cola?
Coca-Cola?
Yes, something's in the Coca-Cola. What I really need to tell you.
What's in there?
Like they put lots of rum, you know? Like they put rum inside or drugs. You need to never buy Coca-Cola
Yeah,
or even Pepsi because they're bad for you.
it's bad for you, right?
Yes, and don't go to McDonald's because those chickens are not fried good.
They're not very good. Okay.
Yes.
So see, she said, don't go to McDonald's and don't buy no Coca-Cola or Pepsi because it's not good for you. And she's correct. She is correct. Thank you so much. Thank
Just
you.
want to keep you all alive so you can still support God.
You wanna keep? Repeat that?
Just want to keep you all alive. Just make you still support God.
Okay. You hear that? She said she wanna keep us all alive so we can still support God.
Yeah.
So you see what she's saying to you. Yeah, so thank you so much for warning everyone. So guys, if you're watching, I hope you hear what she's saying. She's just trying to keep everyone alive so you can continue to support God. Right, Shanet?
Yes, because God made the world and He's given His one only Son to us, Jesus. And Jesus did everything for us and He sacrificed Himself on the cross. That means you can show some respect too. Don't?
True. So true. Wow. Hey. Hey. Why? What you gonna do, Daddy?
I am just going to motivate her, same way, is it?
Yes, Daddy. Me I tell you, you got a champion. She's very intelligent.
I'm going to motivate her.
Very intelligent. Well, I got some donation here for you, Shanet. Yes. So.
Oh yeah, there's a pyramid. I think they're making a pyramid. We can find gold, diamond, and also string, which I don't really think what's good for you. Because if you don't keep your house clean or take care of your kids, bad luck happens, don't?
True.
Like, one time I was watching a sad story that the woman didn't care about us. It says bad mom and good mom. The bad mom hates her child and kick her out of home. And the good mom gives her child all candy and also play with her. That means good mom is the best, don't?
Of course. Good mom and good dad. Like You have a good dad, a good father.
Yes.
He's the best, right?
Best
He's
dad.
the best
And
dad.
I don't want you to die.
Okay, so tell him to eat healthy, right?
Yes.
Eat all the vegetables.
Some vegetable can be kind of sour and raw.
At least, alright. So I got some money for you, okay?
Okay.
Yes,
But
and right.
you don't really need to give me money.
I'll give it to your daddy, right? Alright, let me give it to
You
you.
just save.
Yeah, just save.
I'm saving because I want to save to buy a big house
Okay. So
and support my dad and move to Paris.
Okay. So daddy, so we have something for you right now. We can see you for buy the big house. Alright. So we have 14,000 here for you. From Nicole from the USA. 14,000 here from Nicole from the USA.
Nicole from the USA, a very good thanks, and New Year's, it's still up. Happy New Year's, yeah, Nicole. And I appreciate what you're doing right now still, you know. And big up yourself right now for the New Year's still. Give thanks and praise. Peace, yeah?
Alright then dad, so I got another donation as well to for you. I got 5,000 as well to from Ivan from New York. Ivan from New York.
Ivan from New York. Ivan from New York. I love what you do still, but I love the situation where you see me, you know, and you do a thing still, and I love it still. And Happy New Year, yeah?
Yeah.
And peace throughout your lifetime still, yeah? Alright, love you.
Yeah. So Shanet, you want to tell Ivan thank you
Thank
for
you
the
very
donation,
much.
and Nicole.
And Nicole too. She's sweet. I wonder how she looks.
You wonder how Nicole look?
Yes.
And Ivan.
Yes.
Well,
Maybe they look beautiful.
don't it?
Yes.
They definitely got a beautiful heart to helping out, right?
Yes. So
They got a
a
very
clean, sweet heart
That
of
is-
you.
That is it. Thank you.
But is gold better than diamond?
That's something to think about, right?
Yes. Is gold shiny or diamond is most shiny?
Something to think about, right?
Yes.
Alright then. Thank you so much, Shanet. High five. Take care, okay?
Yes.
Daddy, father for the year.
Yeah.
Continue the right work, see me.
Yeah, you know, I give up still, guys. Say go. He's in father today and I'll ensure.
Same way.
Love I see him and all of them. You see me?
Yes,
Cause
sir.
when that side of them I come like say boy, I see them.
Yeah, they understand that feelings, you know? Yeah, that bond, you know?
Yeah man, there's a band between me and the cheer them right
Of
now.
course. I just continue saying because you inspire a lot of people that watch the program, you know, to see you still there for your kids them.
Yeah man.
You know, no matter
not
what the
leave neither.
situation.
Not leave.
Not leaving, no time at all. Just keep fighting
Yeah, man.
fights here, man.
Yeah man. The struggle is real, you know.
But you have to
Me
continue.
you know?
That is it.
Yeah man, struggle is real man. You
Alright.
have to unite and know so boy, you maintain yourself and keep yourself strong.
Of
You see me?
course.
Yeah,
Of
man.
course. Cannot make nothing stop you at all.
Focus, you know.
That is it.
Man, keep focus and know so boy. When them come at age, them know say, Father is dead for them, you see?
Yeah. Alright, then big up, man.
Yeah.
Alright then. Bye, Shanet. Bye. Yes, guys. So she's very intelligent. I'm telling you. Very intelligent when she speak. I'm telling you. Don't be surprised. You know. Come on, Bob Marley. X-Yard. You know. Love you. Go Vanna. What's going on? I'm going to look for Gloria. I'm going to work today.
No, I got to go to the eye doctor, you know.
Eye doctor? For your eye?
Yeah, up to a long time. I test water, new glass, and all.
Oh,
They want to test it today.
oh, so what am I saying?
Cost high in that share.
Huh?
Cost high.
Class eye. How much?
Yeah, 62,000.
62,000 for the, for the glass?
Yeah, so the lens.
Or for the lens?
Chew it, the lens for thick, and take it now there in Jamaica, so they want to go.
Alright.
Alright, so chew it in the bag of harder because of more, you know?
Yeah. Oh, 62,000.
60.
60,000.
62.
Price in this time, you know?
That's it.
Price in this time, alright. Wow.
But try to what can go.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
True.
Everything blessed in New Year, though.
Yeah, man, we give thanks, man, we give thanks. And your job, what you do? Hey.
Yeah, up and down, you know, really steady. Just go and see what can go, you know?
Yeah. Man, come check your wife, see if you are donation. Oh, great, I just eat. Happy New Year and everything. What donation here for you, you know? Now $5,000
Yes.
from Ivan from New York.
Thanks a lot, Tibana. Happy New Year. I hope you see many more.
Yes. Yeah, man. So we give thanks to Ivan, you know? He's can do something. Alright, Governor.
Yeah, man. Thanks, man. Bless you there. They do what you know?
Mm-hmm.
Alright?
Alright, then. Yeah, man. Alright, yes, bro?
Yeah.
Alright, take care.
Yeah. Yeah.
So these real, man, so 60,000. Tell me how's everything, okay?
Yeah. Yeah.
Go and hold it, see me. Mm-hmm.
Use the cat and make it run back from people things. Black here, go put a stone on behind the cat wheel.
Yeah.
Yeah. We fix it, but a problem. Yeah.
That's put the front on this up. Sitting on the ground.
Oh, yeah, good.
Come, Justin. Oh.
Somebody give the man the thing fix.
Turn on the fan.
And if somebody else to fix it and then scrap them with it.
I assist down.
Turn up with the dog room.
Now play again. Go on, play again. Now play.
Problem.
How the woman doesn't show up. You better take this.
Now play again. Okay, fine. You are going to do this.
Come here. You, come here.
Me?
Yeah, come here.
Mommy! Mommy! Why the pen walk? Why the pen walk?
Okay. Give me my phone.
Snap right there.
Me? Me no want in it.
Just
No want in it.
Daddy, what are going?
I'm there in the family.
Stress out now.
Why? You wouldn't like to know. Judgment. Stress out. Bad. Problem.
What going?
Why?
Turn on this little bit there. The TV, I just muted.
tomorrow you have
school?
to buy it. Doing nice.
School was nice. You being a good boy. Hmm?
Yes.
You sure? What's your name?
Justin.
Justin. Papi. Where is it going?
Why?
You have to bank.
I fix a TV and the screen broke from me. And trust me, the people them are going bad. Carry it back to where me didn't forget the screen for buy. And them say them, instead of them fix, them replace back one, different one give me. So,
Come. Go.
me don't know how it all go later on when tell the lady come.
So them scrap it.
Yeah, their old version. Them scrap down the old version and give me a newer version. But she don't want to upset it.
Oh, she want for your original one.
She want the original one.
And that does cost you more.
Shanet, make me that hurt me right now. Trust me.
Can you imagine?
Trust me.
Treasure. So you know the last time someone they seen on the video when time that open the door for him. Yeah, him say man Justin.
Yeah.
And you know cause she was coming from school at the time and she see him and she considered him, you know?
Yeah.
And the person sent $5,000 for him.
Yeah.
Yeah. But them don't want no name to call, them want to remain as unknown.
Okay.
Yeah, so them send $5,000 a year for him.
Okay. Thank you very much, whosoever you are.
Yeah.
And God bless you for this donation for Justin.
For Justin.
So thank you,
Thank you.
whoever you are. And God bless you.
And God bless you.
And keep you all the way.
Keep you all the way.
Yeah. And thanks.
Alright. Yeah man, so that's how that happened, right?
Yeah.
Alright then, so give thanks.
And thank you all the way. And God bless you and keep you. Guide and protect you each every day of the life, right?
Hopefully it work out, you know. I don't know how you're gonna work it out or we have so we reckon you have to go do now.
Well, now here for your last verdict. If she no believe me, well, if she go for the station and go for the police, make carry them straight down there.
Yes, where it
And make
happened.
it work out. You understand? So,
Treasure.
trust
Sticky.
me. We gotta try for the good. Sometimes bad coming out and you know, say, Satan have a lot. Boy, always want to present a good day, you know? He always want to present himself.
Yes.
Monk's good.
Monk's good.
Yeah, for try. So,
The test of faith for him.
yeah. God will put the trust, so I got all the way. So he will work out the rest. So I just leave everything in a film hand. Yeah, so God go with you and keep you, and take care of yourself.
Yeah.
And drive careful, no speed,
Nothing.
nice and easy.
Bless him. Yeah.
Blessing. See?
Alright.
Rastafari. Blessed love, you know. Blessed love, see? Good persona. Blessed love.
Alright. Elizabeth, come now? Hello. Evening. Elizabeth. That's the last one.
Yes, last and deadly.
Them call her the wash belly. No more. Let me there pass through quick and fast cause me have an envelope here for you as well too. From a donor. Yeah. So Elizabeth, mother of 7 kids. So you have here I got an envelope here for you from Yvette. Yeah, from the USA. She tell Elizabeth, mother with 7 kids. So that is your envelope there from Yvette.
Yvette, thank you very much. God bless you. And I hope you continue to watch more video and support because the help is needed.
Yeah.
As you can.
Yeah, so this is Elizabeth, the mother of 7 kids. We're trying to give her some support in any way we can. You know, if anyone donate and help with that situation, we thank her so much. You know, she's a tried mother, a single mother. You know, I face the battle right now with 7 kids.
Yes, don't watch the smile. It's just that we can't look like we're stressed. We have to smile.
So she's always smiling. That's one of the greatest things about her. She always smiling. You know, everybody will disappear now. When them say camera, they will disappear. Disappear, you must say invisible. Disappear, look. Run. Brother, run. So when them say camera, them run. So we want to do a donation here. And this is from, this is another unknown as well too. $15,000. 15,000. So count that, says from unknown as well from the US.
1, 2, 15.
Yeah.
15. Thank you, Mr. Unknown. Continue to support. God bless. I love you all, the family that helped me. Thank you. And thank you for the newcomers who just watching the videos and seeing. Thank you for your support and your love.
Yeah. Okay, I will give thanks for all the support. And hopefully them can see something start soon whenever, you know. So I hope you prepare to buy some things already, right? When? So my combat foundation done. Wow, alright then. So we're looking forward to see that, guys. So she said next time we'll come back here. The foundation has already dig and still gone in. You know, let's see how far it's gonna reach. So we thank you so much for supporting Elizabeth, the mother of 7.
God bless.
She's a smiling mom. She's not a crying mom, she's a smiling
You
mom.
guys are the reason for my smile because it brings joy to my life. Thank you all. Thank you. God bless.
And she really do mean it, you know. She's a smiling mom. She's a smiling mom. I will thank you so much.
You know something really? I don't even go on the live for what you with the negative.
Why you here? Distracting you?
No, she wonder.
So I wonder why you're smiling?
No, like if nobody here, you know, say no really matter to me.
No.
Yeah, it's if you know what you want and you know why you're doing it. What the negativity, what anybody have to say, it don't really matter to you.
No.
Because you know your aim and you know why you come on and need to do it.
Yes.
And you know you're truthful, you know where it's going. You know your end, you what say, just keep your eye on the goal and the prize. You don't keep your eye, that's why I don't go anytime and read even the negative, the comment, and sometimes you're gonna get bad than the good.
Yes.
And that will make you turn off and don't bother reach your goal. And so I don't want it to read the comment. You know, so I need this, and the Bible says ask and it shall be given, seek and shall, and that's I'm asking.
Yes.
So it's not like
you're not robbing a bank.
yeah.
You know, yeah. I mean, put all pride aside, right? Just put all pride aside and
So yeah.
negative energy will always just stop you from doing
Anybody
what.
out there want help, don't be afraid. Just ask. Don't be afraid. Don't make nobody discourage you.
Yes. See a word of wisdom. So if you need help,
You see in life, the same people who are bash, if we face never for sure in the video,
then we don't want
they
to.
would have been the whole heap of people that come on it.
Of course,
yeah.
to be the vice.
Of course,
Ask
just
him
the,
for all the
the
millions.
voice alone was just for talk and nobody not face and show. No people that do it.
Of course, and a
Some
lie.
of them for thank God for loan. Alone save them why they not do this.
But when you take a loan, you know, you got lifetime
They
debt, you know.
lifetime debts.
Okay, you have to continue and pay that loan for another 10, 15 years. So, just go and do the right thing, Elizabeth, you know.
You have to be on the right track.
We have a talk with them, say grinding slow but grinding still.
Yes.
Like an old sugar mill.
Maybe you know the long time saying that.
Hey, no. Someone teach me it. At the billionaire titanium natural always I say it, so I am giving it now. So we are run with it for the 2024 now, right? So grinding slow and grinding still. Just like the old sugar mill. Right?
Or sugar mill.
Yes. So better you grind slow and now you not grind nothing at all. Alright, so let's go and do the right thing. Let me see I try to work to help out that situation. See me, even though the work is not all we can make, no? At least you can put food on your table. And anything we get on the side, no, at least you can buy 1 and 2 material and then good thing where you can start. But greatest thing, once you start, yeah, that's a movement, you know. But if you're not doing anything, that's a problem, you know. So at least God help those who try to help themselves. So just try, you know, let's try. Don't stop trying. Right, so next time I come back, we support the safe foundation, dig and everything. So we say progress, right?
Yes.
That is it.
Thank you all. Love you. Give me a kiss.
Aye.
Everything can laugh. It feels like family I'm smiling. So
Yes.
that's where it goes.
Alright, then so blessings and big up.
Yep.
Boom. We are called Boom?
Yeah.
Boom. Shout out to your name Boom.
I'm boom my name.
So Boom, yeah. Last time man you call.
I'm boom my name too?
Yeah.
So we call
Choosing name boom boom. So
Boom boom your name.
So it's boom boom. So you have 3 boom. Boom boom and boom. That's 3. Alright then. Later. Let me say boom. I say wait, a Rasta in our heart now. In our heart, in our heart. Well, good morning. Welcome back to Kina Life in Jamaica. Blessed love, I hope you're having a wonderful day. You know, so today we're here, you know, we get a day, you know, we get some time for natural today. And you know, whenever we get a time with natural, we have to work with it. Yeah? Oh. Full bag? Oh. Yeah. Yeah man, so today we're gonna put in some work today at Scanner Place, you know. Let's see how many things we can get done today because naturally it's free today, so today we can put in some work and get something done today, you know. So we give thanks for natural and everything for doing so for today. So today we can get the ball a roll. Yeah man guys, so we thank you so much for watching Kina Life in Jamaica. Welcome to Trench Town. You know, the home of reggae legend himself, Bob Marley. And as you can see, it caught a lot of people by surprise to see how Trenchtown is look like. You know, Trenchtown is a wonderful place, nice, vibrant, you know, so everyone is trying to develop and try to help themselves to make the community a better place to can live in, you know. So this is how it is. So we're here trying to help, you know, the less fortunate in anywhere we can, you know. So we're trying our best, you know, to see what we can get done same way by helping out each other. You know, so this is what we're doing, the teamwork, the dreamwork. You know, we have the dream team members them as well who also in need of help but still giving their time and their energy same way, trying to help in someone that need the help also. You know, so we have to look out for each and every one, and we give thanks for each and every one for their time, you know. So we give thanks for Natural and in time and the whole team. So guys, so stay tuned on this journey. We're gonna get some more materials, you know. So stay tuned and big up for yourself, dream team and Dave, you know it goes. So today we have machine of the cart. Today we have our personal drive. Yeah. We have the personal drive. So guys, so we're gonna drive to the local area, because you know in Trenchtown we have a local area here, you know, so that's where we give our support most of the time, not some of the time, but most of the time that's where we go and get our materials. If you don't know, it's different pricing, but we try for them to give us support anywhere we can. Yeah man, I can't stay man, see me. You work with that. Ah, my general. I have a good car there, sub car now man. Sub vehicle. Oh, we are going to Mughal? Oh, where we are going to now? Alright, come here. Eh? Up there, I go. So we just hired the driver a while ago. Wow, check. Oh, check. You take a drive and for your phone as a ticket.
No, man. I'm going to this. Move slow.
Mughal.
Tompa here is.
Yeah, Tompa. No, blah. Ply. Yeah, one sand, one rough sand. To work, man. I put 2 ply on it.
About next week, I do some from chop out there.
It will work, man. Give it a little wobble. Guys, so the driver complained about the vehicle, so the vehicle not 200. Yeah. They have some plum tree. Remember this plum? Original plum. See plum here, them plum here. I used to got this plum tree in my yard. Remember this plum? You know, all for plumbing. Remember this plum, right? Nice. Remember this plum. I used to got this plum tree in my yard. And I tell you, this plum tree used to give me a lot of work when it's inside my yard. Just look on the ground. I imagine every day the people them come and raid my yard. The people them come and raid the plum tree and shake all the tree. And shake all the tree, everything drop, both green and ripe. So imagine when them gone on me have to sweep it up each and every time. I used to cuss, I used to throw a stone. I'm telling you, that's one thing about my yard when it come on to the plum tree. That's where you get the most work dealing with the plum tree in my yard. You have to be sweeping your 3 times a day. Even when the breeze blow, guys, your plum drop off of the tree. Even when you're sweeping the yard, plum drop off of the tree. You know, I left like a butterfly going on a tree, plum drop. So let me say if this one is sweet. It's sweet, man. Yeah, I'm done the sweet. Wow.
Yeah, man, our chief, please. Yeah, man.
It's sweet, man. I need to pick some more when I'm passing. So, me walking up West Road. West Road. Someone they asked me about Trenchtown School. That's Trenchtown School wall right over there. That's the wall. To see it. So behind that wall you got Trenchtown School. So where you can see the yellow and brown building. That is Trenchtown there you're looking at. I don't know what happened to the wall, but the wall fell down. As you can see, the wall is fell down. So that is inside of Trenchtown. That's the Trenchtown school they're looking at. That's my school that I used to go, you know, the local school in the community. So I don't know what's wrong with the wall, but the wall fall down still. So, and that is the field that we used to play on. And that is my own school, local school. Shanet Comprehensive, but the name is changed now to Polytech, you know, something. So it's not a comprehensive school anymore. It's more like a learning center, I think. Not quite sure. So I guess I can research it, guys, to find out what's going on with the school. So now we're at 7th Street. This 7th Street now is like we just passed 6th Street on the other side of Trenchtown, and now we're on the jungle side of Trenchtown, which is called 7th Street. And on my left here is jungle, you know, and on my right going back there was Rima. This is how everything is separated through politics, you know, politics, you know, make people them divide themselves. You know, look, living so close, we are still one same way, one people. So that is it. So we here, just arrived at the local hardware here in Trenchtown. Our moving vehicle, the moving truck. Whoa! Alright, so I'm gonna put it in the area.
No, but she never have bills, so I spend money and become a touch and go and touch a for you.
Whoa, I'm here. Chinese! Chinese Indian are working here. Indian, you done with me?
Yeah, man. I just tell you something in my face.
Alright, you're Chinese.
Alright. Yep.
I'm not Indian, I'm Chinese, that.
If I didn't know.
When you read me confident, but you my word.
Chinese, that man. Yeah, Indian. Driver, who are that? Prefect is here.
No. No fly.
No fly? Oh, go on. So she collect for fly?
Who she send a fly in a day?
I'll try to sell fly.
Justin, you have to go.
That is the half of the day.
Said we a black man. Come on, eh?
Guys, so yeah, we have to go on the road to go get the fly. Guys, so yeah, now we have to go. I have to go on the road to go and get the fly because the hardware got no fly. So we're gonna go on the road to go get the fly and then come back. So we got the rest of the stuff. Yeah. But we never got the fly, so we have to go on the road to go get the fly and come back. So at least we get this, where the team members can go and start do some work. Alright, so we're gonna start the baller road with what we got. So you know the thing will work the way you have. take what you get. So we're gonna go get the rest. That's the way we're gonna do it. You see, I don't mind.
We're gonna buy somebody free.
Them say?
One fly in this one. One fly them one, not two.
Oh. Say a good thing that so things work out. On the sweet though. Where you eat?
Long but plumbing, I'm not going to make cemetery.
Oh shit, but eating long what?
No, I'm making they can't find them plumber. Long body on them. Long. So call them for where you.
They're green in a column.
Agree, huh? Yeah.
Yeah man, you go use the green one and you know what time it is.
I'm sweet. All the green ones.
Oh chef say I eat the long one. The long what one?
Long part. All of them.
Hey. Them taste my pass and pick one and it's sweet. Here, just!
One fly.
One.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Jeez! Guys, Jesus flying back from country.
Yeah, so you know.
Here is here. Right. Here just flying back from country. And back in Ireland. Sweet man. Hold that, taste it. Let me not say nothing, man. No. Let me not say nothing. Plummy. Plummy, yeah. No, sir. Hold on, pick one with the ear. No, I'm scanner. So plummy, yeah. Blessed General. All the green one I'm people show. No, sweet man.
Sweet, no? But the red one.
Guys, them are sweet. No, like. Yes, guys, you didn't ask me for Eros him fly back in from country. Yeah. He's back in town. You know, once he's back in town on duty now. Yeah. And get the ply. Them plug sweet to the my one in my yard. Short of a coming. Alright. Come here, Phil.
I saw them. They feel like.
You say we're not gonna need something for Thai?
No man, we're gonna hold it. Remember say right this, so we're gonna go.
Alright. You can go guys. She's gonna buy a shop.
close. Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.